It starts in England and ends in England. Tailor is a label that distinguishes itself from other apparel brands. While others prefer to compete with the crowd, we prefer to shine all on our own. We are the heretics who do not conform to mainstream fashion. We offer a wide variety of options based on the concept of a strong modern British classic. We are not traditionalists, and we are fully aware of the latest trends and styles. They are elements of a fluid era, but it's also strange to just ride the wave of the times. We always want to continue the legacy of the old and new era, where we can showcase suits with a brilliant balance of design, usability, and identity. It's not what you need to be, it's what you want to be.